Previously, I uploaded a video on copy trading. Now, a lot of you have been asking me on the comment section to do a follow-up video showing you exactly how much money I've made or how much money I've lost in that video. Now, I did record this video after 30 days of me opening this copy trading account. So this is literally 30 days after, opening the copy trading account, and I'm going to show you how much money I've made or how much money I lost on copy trading. By the end of this video, you will make your own decision whether copy trading is good or not. By the time of me recording the video, this trader that I was following had 333% ROI over 90 days. In fact, the number was much more higher than this, but we'll talk about that later in this video. So later in this video, I'm also going to show you my thoughts in copy trading and how much money is left in my account. So let's get started. All right, so let's jump into the account here. We're going to come to the chart here because we actually want to see what is the trader doing. So I'm going to come here and actually hover over on copy trading, and you can see here we've got our copy trading account. Just gonna zoom out, and if I uncheck this, you can see the account is actually right now on some profit, but it's actually losing money. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to click on that. From here, we've got a total PNL of about $18. This is about 16 days of trading. When this trader started trading, he was really good for the first 2 days, 2 to 3 days. But ever since then, it's been a disaster. And we're going to get to that and see exactly what is he doing wrong. But before we do that, let's actually jump here on trading history. And I'm just going to select a period of about 1 month. And I want to start off by the first page here. All right, so this is the first page, and you can see that we transferred in about 150 or exactly 150 US dollars on this account. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, that I made some mistake when I was actually setting up the account, but those mistakes actually made me to actually make a lot of money in the beginning, because on the first trade that this guy did here, we made $10. So I thought that was crazy, and I thought that will be obviously repetitive on the account and will probably make a lot of money. And the reason why we were able to get $10 here, because when I actually set up my copy trading account here, let me just show you the mistake that I made. So the mistake I made was taking this $150 and coming over here when I was actually setting up my copy trading account and putting it as a fixed margin. Now, because of that, the first trade here was obviously about $10 in profit. Now, because this trader actually opens up multiple trades per day, we needed to have a lot of margin within our account to actually sustain the new positions that are going to be opened. So I had to go and actually fix that within my copy trading account. So I had to go and divide this by 4. So what you have to do here is to, maybe if you have $150 and just put $40, that means that each and every trade that is going to be opened is going to be using that fixed margin on a single trade, and then leave the rest of the funds should the trader decide to open new positions. For that reason, you can now see that in order for you to be very successful in copy trading, you will need a little bit more funds, maybe $500 plus. So let's come back here and review exactly how the trader did on this copy trading account. So like I said, the first day was very nice, $10 in profit. And after that, we actually saw that the trader was actually closing on break even or sometimes closing on a loss. So the trader went on to make a little bit of money on the first week. He was doing very good. He made $8 here, he made $1, and over here he made $2, here he made $4. So he was doing good for the first week. But what happened after that was crazy, because he started losing money. Now on this week, he wasn't actually doing that bad again. He just made one big loss here of about $8, which means that he is losing obviously the money that he has made previously, and made $5 here and there, but it wasn't that great. So let's go to the next one. Here he made about $7 and made some money over here as well. But you can see here that he was losing a lot of money also in funding fees, because sometimes his trading strategy, as I've explained to you in my previous video, that he likes to put the stop loss at break even. See, the thing is that when you put that stop loss at break even, if I can just come to that, if this is your entry over here, if this is your entry and then you're expecting the markets to go down, as the market goes down, you put your stop loss exactly here. If the market goes against you, you close at break even. Now the issue here is that you still have to pay funding fees. So that's why you can see here that you've got these funding fees here paid, where else we're not making money here. So that's the issue with, you know, break even. So let's go to the next page. Here we can see he made $8, but basically everything else within this page is a loss. This entire page is a loss. So for me, I don't think, you know, that's a good trader, because you're making a lot of mistakes and you're losing a lot of trades. Let's go to the next page as well. All right, so this page is not so bad, but you still have some losses here and there, but it's not bad. This page alone, you can see that you've got 1, 2 profitable trades. The rest is literally a loss. As you can see, just 2 trades. So I think the trader is over trading, and I'll show you now what is happening. Let me just cancel this and I'll go directly to the trader, and I want to look at the statistics. You can see how many people are losing money right now, and this is the amount of money that people are losing right now with a trader. I believe these are open positions that are currently losing, right? So as much as when you come to copy trading, let's just go to copy trading here and click on copy trading. When you come to copy trading, this specific trader here has a very high percentage. You can see here about 400% ROI. So when you look into this, you're like, wow, this trader is really good. I'm gonna, you know, go and follow them, and only to find out that, let's just click on it and let's click maybe the past 30 days. You can see in the past 30 days the ROI is like almost 500%. So you're like, okay, he's making a lot of money, but right now as we speak, he's currently losing money. So you can see this loss here is bigger than almost these 3 candles combined, or these 3 wins combined. So it's taking all your profit, and maybe you're sitting on negative. So that's the issue there, that, you know, is currently losing money. Now the reason why I don't like his style of trading, let's look at the current position that is actually opening. You can see here is trading with 10x. Now 10x is already like too much for his style of trading. Now you can see where exactly he is opening those trades, and from here we can see the enterprise. Now the nice thing about these enterprises is that we can actually go to the chart ourselves and actually look exactly what is doing. Let's go ahead and delete this. So a lot of people have been asking me, why don't I become a master trader, and so that people can copy me? It's simply because I am more of a swing trader, and you can see these traders here are taking trades almost each and every single day, and people can be very impatient when, you know, they've given you their money. They want to see a result instantly. Now let's look at these enterprises here. So from here we can see that the trader went short when the price was 1,162. So let's come to the chart and actually bring our horizontal array, and we're looking for 100, 1,062. This is exactly where the trader went short. Now this is exactly where he was going short, but let's get all the prices of all these losing trades. The next price is 1,196. 1,196. So exactly here he went short again. The next price is 1,208. Exactly here it went short. Now the next price is 1,219. It went short again from here. Let's expand this. Sorry guys, this is going to be a point of control, and maybe I can disable it for now. The next price is 1,254. The next price is 1,277. All right, so let's bring back the VPVR here. Now you can see, and let me change the point of control on the VPVR so that it's easy to see what is what. Now let's first analyze this first trade here. Now the first trade was actually not a bad trade, because if you watch our crypto masterclass, you'll recall that over here he was possibly seeing an M pattern. Not only that, but also a potential bear flag here. with regards to this and probably this becoming that bear flag. So that wasn't a bad trade. Now the issue I have is that when you go to his profile, it said set leverage to follow his leverage, right? Of which is what we did. And it says set stop loss to 0. And that means that we mustn't use stop loss, right? The issue is that this guy keeps shorting the market, even though he can see that the market is going against him. The only trade he's got right in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is this last one over here. If he hasn't closed this trade again, there's a high possibility that he's just gonna close it at break even, which means that you may actually lose money as the funding fees are eating from your initial capital. So that's the issue that we have here. So here, I forgive him because you're seeing a possible bear flag. All right, so we get that. But let's go and actually see the rest of the trades. I'm not exactly sure why he took this trade over here. Maybe it's because he can see some resistance from here. Then he thought maybe this was going to be again a bounce lower. So it's fine. But again, here you can see a potential M pattern. Now he traded this so early because the M pattern, you must trade it immediately once it breaks the neckline. So this here would have been the neckline, and this is the only place where you can actually short it. So he shorted very early again. So let's just go and clean that up. And on this one, you can see that there is a potential M pattern, but he's already short from the top here. He's already short from the top. Maybe he's trading the resistance here on top. I have no idea. So he's losing a lot of trade. He's over trading and losing a lot of trade and losing a lot of money. So that's the review of this account here. And I will be putting copy trading on other different masters here on the platform. Like I said, if you want to do copy trading as well, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you'll exactly know which trader is the best trader to follow. That's what I've been trying to figure out. So that's why I opened 3 different accounts and actually put copy trading on all these accounts. So if you really want to do copy trading, what you should be looking for is firstly a very low leverage. So don't do 10x, but do 5x or 3x. I always tell people that you must be overfunded and under leverage. That's gonna actually make sure that you don't lose a lot of money, because when you're overfunded, you're actually not risking too much on your leverage. So I wouldn't recommend this master trader here at all. I'll be trying out different traders as well. The only thing that you should be looking out for is making sure that they don't trade with 10x, only take 5x or 3x, as well as people who are doing swing trading. So the question that you may be asking yourself, is copy trading worth it? Firstly, I'll say yes, it is, but actually look for people who are holding a very, very high amount here when it comes to the amount of traders who are actually within that group, and especially the traders who are full, because they actually have a capped and they actually know what they're doing. And look at the followers, look at the percentage at the higher period, maybe 90 days, and don't follow traders with higher ROI, because it can be deceiving. Anyone can make 200% in one day and then lose the rest of the trades. That's what I actually said from the beginning of the first video that I did in copy trading. But I think copy trading is good for those of you who cannot trade yourself and who are still trying to figure out. But on this channel, that's what we're teaching. We're teaching you guys how to trade, and that's one thing that I'll really encourage you to do. All right, so let me give you an overview of what happened since I put that account. As you guys recall that in the beginning of the video, the account had about $178 to about $200 on the copy trading account. Well, the trader since actually lost almost all the money. You can see that the money that was left was about $28 on the account, and even after that, I think it took one trade, and that trade also just hit my stop loss. I had to put a stop loss, as you guys saw earlier in the video, that the trader just kept going trading without a stop loss, even though he was losing money. So eventually I lost everything on the account. Now I make these videos to show you guys what is possible in the world of trading and for you not to be deceived by these high percentage that you may see from these trading platforms. And obviously I'm going to be showing you guys different videos. I'll be making different experiment with regards to copy trading, so make sure that you subscribe so that when we do get a very good copy trader, I'll be able to share that with you. But we also just attempting to do copy trading ourselves. If you look here in our Discord group, we actually have a copy trading tab where we actually said that we want to do copy trading. Because why? If you come here to our P&L, you can see that our community, in most cases, we make money. This is me earlier on today. We just made 50% here on this trade. Now you can see that we do make money not only here, but overall everyone here within our community is making money trading with leverage. You can see here I made 90% on BTC. So with my experience in trading, I've started to have an idea that if you trade certain commodity or certain assets, you can actually be successful if you're trading with good capital, so you can reduce your leverage, overall reducing your risk. The issue with copy trading is that someone will follow you today, tomorrow they'll be logging into their account, they thinking that you have somehow performed miracles. Whereas in the case of having a long-term objective or a long-term perspective on your copy trading account can work in your favor. However, if you want to get rich right now, probably that won't happen. If you want to join our Discord where we actually talk about trading ideas and also trading signals, you can find the link in the description, or just go to vusidesigner.com. Make sure that you actually sign up using our affiliate link and fund your account. Basically, it's free to be part of our Discord, but we want you to have signed up with our affiliate link, and you must have funded your account. The reason why we only want to provide the value to people who are serious about trading and who are serious about learning how to trade and serious about making money overall. So make sure that you are very active here on Discord. As you guys can see, we do drop also daily signals. We do drop them here with our community members, and you can see also P&L and also copy trading. Once we have enough community for us to maybe have $1 million in our copy trading account, we can now go ahead and just copy trade where you guys can copy me. And obviously here you can see my trading style and all that stuff. My name is @vusidesigner. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm not saying all copy traders or master traders are bad on the platform, but in my case, this experiment led to me losing all the money in my account. And this is not just the only account. If you recall on the previous video, the first video, I actually also opened a different account where I put $5,000. I can already tell you that on that account, I also lost money. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and also make sure that you're part of our Discord. Just go to vusidesigner.com.